Edwin and Bernicia Cooke from Williamsburg, Virginia. And the business name is Clearview Window Cleaning and Power Washing.
For me, it was learning the different types of water. One can give you sheets of water, and one can give you bubbles of water.
There's lots of good information. For me, it was pressure washing, learning about how to clean driveways, what chemicals to use and what not to use, and different things like that. For me, it was pricing on the windows. He showed me a good way to price. It's really quick, and I could show different guys on the team how to do it, and that would work out well.
One, you get the certification, you get up-to-date information, you see the different types of product that's coming, and just learn how to use everything more efficiently.
And the contractors, you meet a lot of people here that have good information.